Welcome to AB Cardano. AB Cardano is your guide to professional trading by providing free educational trading materials and strategies. Now, let's watch the video.
Question number 42. What is the example of a double combination, flat and triangle? The answer is, we can notice the triangle was the end of the correction move.
Quote number 36. Henry M. Simons said, "In trading, the impossible happens about twice a year." This is a helpful reminder that every so often the unbelievable will happen. Keep your eyes peeled for those moments. Thanks for watching, liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of what's new on our channel, and follow us on social platforms.